Hi, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and today I'll tell you how you can become SOLIDWORKS champion and you can get your SOLIDWORKS swag kit. Most people ask this question that they have applied for SOLIDWORKS champions program but they did not get any response. So I'll answer these questions. This tutorial will be divided into 3 parts. In the first part, I'll be showing unboxing and some pictures of my SOLIDWORKS swag kit which I received on 18th January 2022. And in the second part, I'll tell you what is the criteria of SOLIDWORKS champions program. This is the most important part. And in the third part, I'll be discussing some general guidelines regarding the exams. So let's start the tutorial. So first of all, I'll go to here my projects and then SOLIDWORKS champion, and then you can see these pictures and a very unprofessional unboxing. This will be for motivation only, right? So I'll click here and you can see the box, and it took almost I think 2 months to deliver from USA to Pakistan, and it depends because of coronavirus and all these stuff. Transportation is delaying. So here you can see the bag. This is very unprofessional. I also show you the pictures. So here is the bag, SOLIDWORKS champions bag. You can see the logo as well. And next is SOLIDWORKS mug, and next is headphones, very cool headphones, and next is you can see this diary, and there is a Himalayan tumbler, you can call it a bottle, and SOLIDWORKS P cap, and lastly I think I have a pen, right? So it's the box. Now I'll show you the pictures. So here's the bag, and here you can see this SOLIDWORKS champions logo, right? And next is I have a P cap and SOLIDWORKS champions diary along with a pen, and then we have a headphones, very cool headphone, and I'll try to model using some cool surfacing tools. And okay, and next is a Himalayan tumbler, they call it Himalayan tumbler, and this is my box, and we have a SOLIDWORKS mug, and this is my kit, and this picture I posted this picture on LinkedIn as well. And here you can see these 7 things, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, right? So this is SOLIDWORKS champions kit. Okay, now I'll tell you what is the criteria of SOLIDWORKS champions program, right? Most of my friends, most of my subscribers, they ask one question, that they have applied for SOLIDWORKS program but they did not get any response. Well, there is a reason. The reason is they are not SOLIDWORKS certified. You have to you have at least one certification if you are applying to a SOLIDWORKS champion program, right? So we'll go to Google and we'll search let's say we'll search SOLIDWORKS champions program, and here you can see the guidelines, and okay, so I'll click here certification program, and here you can see the exams, but I think okay. So you have to click here, apply now, and you can see this form. You have to fill this form, let's say your name and last name, address, city, province, select country, and email address. Make sure to write correct email address, and phone number along with your current employer name. For example, if you are working in some design industry or you can, for example, if you are working as a freelancer, so you can fill this option. Okay, so current company name and my product skills, you know, I think I have chosen this 3D design. And here is the most important part which most people miss, right? You have to you have at least one certification, right? And don't go for multiple certifications for this program at least. And you have at least this CSWA mechanical design, which is most easiest exam of SolidWorks, I guess, right? And these are all stuff you have to fill and you have to submit, and then if you are selected, you will get a mail, right? So just cancel this. Now I'll tell you some of the general guidelines regarding the exam. So let's go to Google and let's search SolidWorks certification, and let's click here, SolidWorks certification program. And here you can see multiple designing exams like CSWA, SolidWorks Certified SolidWorks Expert, and Certified SolidWorks Professional. And you can see exams related to sheet metal, weldments, surfacing, drawing, etc. But I'll go with this CSWA or SolidWorks Certified Associate. It is the most easiest exam, and you can pass this exam quite easily if you practice, right? So let's go to exam information, and the exam length is 3 hours. Minimum passing grade is 70%, and these are very easy features like SolidWorks modeling tools like boss, extrude, cut, mass properties, materials, and drawing views, etc., right? So let's download this sample exam. I have already downloaded this, so let's minimize it. Let's go to CSWA sample exam and let's click this PDF. Okay, just cancel this now. SolidWorks certification guide, and it is the very important. You have to go through it before appearing in exam, right? So I'll only show you the so you have 3 questions from drafting, you have 2 questions from basic part creation, and you have 2 questions from intermediate, and it is covering, let's say, basic part modification is covering sketching tools, extrude boss, extrude cut, and some modification tools, right? And the intermediate part is covering these features, circular pattern, extrude cut. These are very easy, right? And the advanced part creation and modification, it is covering these, and this sketch offset is sometimes quite tricky, right? So you have 2 questions from this side, 3 questions from drafting, 2 questions from intermediate, 3 questions from advanced part creation, and you have 4 questions from assembly as well. And you can see the points, right? 2 questions 15 points each, 3 questions 5 points each, and you have, I think, 240 points, and you have to get at least 165 points to pass the exam, right? Here you can see that total 14 questions and total points 240, and the minimum points 165, and you have 3 hours paper, right? So you can see right, these are the drafting questions like MCQs. Let's say, I think the right answer was crop view, and this one is broken section view, right? And you have basic part modeling, like making this part, and then you have to evaluate the mass properties, etc. Right? You can see that. I'll make a separate video on that if you want, and you can download these files from GrabCAD as well. And I think I have modeled some of these CSWA questions. And let's go to this is my GrabCAD portfolio. Let's go to models, and yes, so you can find these questions. You can download these questions. You can practice CSWA sample questions part modeling, right? And I think I have a question regarding assembly as well. Okay, let's minimize it, and right, so you have a question like this. This was quite tricky, and you have to practice, right? Last one is assembly modeling. You have, I think, 4 questions from this side, and you have to assemble these with very easy mates like coincident mate, concentric mate, distance mate, and lastly you have to check the coordinates, right? Like this. So these are the answer keys. Okay. So now one question is very important, because you have to buy this exam. I think the cost is $99, and but you have another very simple option, which is you can get free vouchers from SolidWorks user group, and all you have to do is to attend SolidWorks conferences, virtual events, and you have to be an active member in SolidWorks user groups in LinkedIn. And I also get a free voucher from SolidWorks user group, right? So either you have to purchase exam, or you have to get a free voucher to and then practice for the exam, give exam, and have certification, and then apply for Champions program, and now you will be considered for the SolidWorks Champions program, and follow the guidelines, and then apply for a swag kit, and then your kit will be arrived within, I think, 2 months. If you are in Pakistan or India or subcontinent, you can get your swag kit within 2 months. And let's say if you are in USA or Canada, so you can get your swag kit within I think 3 weeks, right? So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like it, and if you have any questions, so you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more informative and interesting videos. Thank you.